Primary 3s, I welcome you to our lesson 9 of literacy 1B. I still remain teacher Monica. Thank you very much for those ones who have so far been with us since this program started. That is wonderful. Let us now go to our lesson 5. And remember, we are still talking about resources. Last week we talked about resources and we defined the term resources. Are we there? We said resources are components of the environment man uses to meet his needs. Resources are components of the environment man uses to meet his needs. We gave the examples of basic resources. Are we there? Do you still remember them? Wonderful. We talked of water as a basic resource, fuel as a basic resource, food as a basic resource, money as a basic resource, and time as a basic resource. And after we went and talked about water as a resource, we said water is a colorless liquid. And we gave some of the sources of water, and we mentioned one as natural sources of water and artificial sources of water. We gave examples of natural sources of water, that is to say lakes, rivers, rain, and so on. Today we are talking about artificial sources of water. Artificial sources of water. Artificial sources of water are sources of water made by man. The examples are here. We have taps, boreholes, wells, and then dams. They are man-made sources of water. Now here we are going to mention some of the uses of water. Is water useful to us or not? Water is very useful to us. So here I've already given you one example, and as I said, water is used for washing clothes. Can you give me other uses of water? Wonderful. We have water is used for drinking. That is good. Water is used for drinking. Another use of water. Very good. We have water is used for cooking. Water is used for cooking. Cooking what? Cooking food. Water is used for cooking food. Another use of water, children. We have water is used. Water is used for washing utensils. Water is used for washing utensils. Water is used for washing utensils. Another use of water, children. Water is used for swimming. That is very wonderful. Water is used for swimming. Can you give me another use of water? We said water is used for washing clothes. Water is used for drinking. Water is used for cooking food. Water is used for washing utensils. Water is used for swimming. There are very many uses of water, children. There are very many uses of water. You write them for me very well in your books. Let us repeat. We said artificial sources of water are sources of water made by man. Examples are here. We said taps, boreholes, wells, dams, and many others. Then the uses of water, children, we have listed them here together. And then we said water is used for washing clothes. We use water to wash clothes. Are we together, children? Water is used for drinking. Water is used for cooking food. There is nothing else we can use for cooking food apart from water. Water is used for washing utensils and for swimming. Most of you love swimming. Do you use what for swimming? Still you go in water. Are we together, children? Thank you very much. Activity is on your hard copy. Thank you very much for listening. Use the best of your handwriting. Underline your answers and put boundaries. Thank you very much.